All right, so today we have a nice package here, right? This is from Snitz Racing, and this is the RSR Air Shifter complete kit from obviously Snitz Racing. It has a complete wire harness, and this is turnkey basically for the Hayabusa. So we're gonna go ahead and dig right in. And by the way, before I ordered this, I did call to confirm that it was in stock, and they told me it was in stock, and I ordered it because it's, you know, a lot of money just to have sitting around, especially if it ain't ready. I know they probably make it in-house, but you never know. So they assured me it was in stock, so I went ahead and ordered it, and I literally got it 2 days later. So shout out to Snitz Racing. Appreciate the love, the quick shipping. We have a package here, which is awesome. I'm sure it's some instructions probably to tell me how not to screw this up. And now we're gonna get to open up the magic and see what they got for us. All right, so over here we have the part number, and it is for a Hayabusa. This can fit any year, and they are $7,999. All right, 95. Okay, don't quote me. But let's see what we got. So what we got here, I guess this is let me see, the wire harness could possibly probably fit all of these, so that's pretty neat. That's good to know. In case you're wondering, you're looking, this probably works for you. But this is extremely nice packaging, so I'm glad they invested in that. Then we got some wiring going on here. Wiring looks pretty good. Pretty good sleeve. I've read that these sleeves are extremely durable. They're not like a typical air shifter setup, so that's pretty cool. It does come with a toggle switch, which would be for, I assume, don't quote me, I'm just pissing in the wind here, but I assume probably to turn your horn button into the shift button and the horn go back and forth between the two. I don't know yet, I'll clarify later. But we got that. We got some more stickers, it looks like, which is awesome. We'll deck out our bike, become real racers. And here we have Race Spec ASM coil wiring harness, in case you couldn't read. Coil positive on right, good to know. All right, so they send you a bunch of instructions with this stuff, so that way they make it as streamlined as possible. I mean, look, they were giving us pictures, so if we take our time, this will go extremely smooth. It looks like they set up for us to have. Ooh, and the magic. Look at this. Comes with some hose. That looks like probably enough hose to get it done. Ooh, here we go. This is the RSR Air Shift module. This is the brain to the operation of everything. I'm not going to pull it out just now because I'm not ready to throw it on the bike, but it's in there. I'll show you a picture of it. It looks like this, basically, which is really awesome. I like that. Looks nice. We'll find a spot for it. So here's our pressure gauge. It's going to show us how much air we have coming into the solenoid here. And this is the magic. Wow, that's a nice piece there. That feels like quality. And one thing I've learned from watching, you know, I haven't even raced a whole lot just yet, but I already know I love it. One thing I've learned from watching is I've seen multiple races where people lose, and there could even be money on the line. They lose races because their air shifter malfunctions. So how I look at it is 800 bucks is a tiny investment for such a quality piece like this. I've read really good reviews about it. I'm gonna make a review about it, and so far it looks freaking sweet. Not disappointed at all. Everything is labeled. It looks like they got quality parts here. This is awesome. I'm excited to get this on the bike and see what it can do. See how it can improve, how we can be more consistent and actually go to a race and maybe try to actually win one. We'll see how all that goes. That'll be for the future, but for now, we need to install all this. So I'll put up a part 2 of this video for the installation, but as far as the quality, as far as everything goes, man, this is a killer deal. You know, I know they have cheaper air shifters out there, and I haven't ordered them because, quite frankly, I've seen bad experiences with them. I know, you know, nothing's perfect, but this looks fucking damn near close, so I'm gonna run with it. Then again, shout out Snitch, Bound.com, and make sure you read the return policy, because there probably is no returns. There might be. But that's it. Appreciate you, Snitch. Excited to put your shifter on, and we'll see how it goes. See you on the next one.